Hi, I'm Tory and this is my backyard. We live on Dirk Hartog Island and it's in the Shark Bay World Heritage Area on the Great Coral Coast, and we can't wait to welcome you guys all again very, very soon.
It's now officially a national park which has undergone a huge conservation program. It involves the reintroduction of endangered native animals and the revegetation after the many years of being a sheep station. For over 25 years of living on Dirk Hartog Island, I still find the pristine wilderness and beautiful sunrises hard to beat. Kieran and I feel incredibly lucky to call Dirk Hartog Island home. We welcome you to share our clear night skies, abundant sea life and the beauty and solitude of Dirk Hartog Island along the Coral Coast.